Woo! All right. I needed this chair, okay? Some people on the doggone train and buses, they see a pregnant woman, they don't want to get up for her. Oh my goodness, where is the gentleness today? Oh my goodness. So I want to come on here and unbox this interesting baby registry box I received from Amazon. So there are 3 different steps you need to get you a free box. Okay, so the first one is you got to start and create a baby registry. 2, you need to have at least 10 items in the baby registry, and I believe you have to purchase at least $10 worth of your baby registry items. Okay, so I did that and I got my box. All right, so I've seen other women do these unboxing videos, but their stuff, from what I've seen, like in thumbnails, they look kind of big. But this is a small box and it feels very light. So again, it's not open. I'll be opening up with you guys. So I want to see what type of goodies they have for me in here. Give me a second. So it's open. All right, so we have Amazing Baby Newborn Muslin, a muslin swaddle, breathable super soft cotton blanket. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. So this is what I received. That probably was an awful thumbnail, but this is cute. And then, okay, we have the CeraVe. Did I say it right? And this is a moisturizing lotion. Look at that. Oh. So I got a sample. So if my baby like, I'll probably buy some more of it. We'll see. And then, oh, this is so nice. I already got this already. See, I was already put on to this. The Dr. Brown's anti-colic baby bottle. I'm not sure if this is, I don't think this is the glass one. I have the glass version, but you see? This is so nice. What? And then we have outfit your new baby in cuteness. Excuse me. So I got this. Isn't this cute? That's the top or the onesie. And I guess these are examples on how I can style my baby in the clothes. And I have a little flyer here. Free diapers? Shoot. I have a little flyer there. Okay. And I like that they give us these things here. I think this is so cute. Baby Breeza. I've been hearing and seeing about this brand. It looks really good. And then this will be the bottle and breast milk warmer. I already have a bottle and milk warmer, but I have the Mom Cozy brand. But yeah, what I want to invest in is the 3-in-1, which is the bottle washer, the sterilizer, and the dryer. I'm not trying to sit around and wash all these bottles. I don't have a ton of bottles. I believe I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think I have 6 bottles in total. I just bought a new set, the Tommy Tippy glass bottle set. So I just got that one. So I'm looking forward to getting that in the mail. So, okay. anti-colic bottle. So this is another fly that I've got. Hey, you guys can take a picture if you guys want this for your child. If it's good, let me know. And then I have this Hello Fresh. They gave me a flyer for Hello Fresh. All right. And what is this? 50% off your order. Oh, so it's customization to put your baby's pictures on mugs and have picture frames and all that stuff. I think that's really, really cute. Oh, this is really nice. It says welcome to Baby Registry. So I have this little pamphlet here. And this is really nice. Look. What is your dream nursery? And it just gives you all the products that are a necessity for your newborn, for expecting moms or already moms. So this is nice. And this gives you tips too, parent tips for bath time. I already got my baby's tub as well. So I did one baby haul. There's some more baby hauls I have to do, I would like to do, to show you guys what I got for my baby. So yeah, diapering made easy. So it's really, really nice. This is nice. I like that. So I'm definitely going to keep this because I believe it's going to come in handy. And what else we have here? We ain't done yet. What is this? Ooh, okay. Nursing pad and breast milk storage bag. Okay, and this is a brand. I've seen this brand before. Nice. Okay. Look at that. All right. Uh-oh. This is nice. Reduce air bubbles in colic. Ah. All right. So Easy Start Anti-Colic Start Pacifier. Ideal for combining with breastfeeding. Flat, soft nipples shaped like mom's nipples during breastfeeding. So this is what I received. Interesting. Okay. And what else we got here? Liquid IV hydration multiplier. Electrolyte drink. Interesting. I'm going to give this a try. Look what they gave me. Okay. Interesting. I never tried these before. Oh, wow. And I got one more flyer. Expecting parents time to create your will. We have 9 months to get ourselves together. So we got to make a great effort because they need us. They truly do need us. Okay, they need God first and then they need us. All right. And then I got this cute baby registry bag. So cute. Wow. So I'll probably keep this. This is really, really nice. So I'll probably put all the stuff in this bag here. And probably put it on my baby's cart when I get the cart in the mail. So I really do like this. I want to come on here and share. If you also received a Amazon baby registry, share it with me. Let me know what you received. What did you get? Okay, because some of them registry boxes be looking huge, but I'm very thankful. Okay, I have to spend like $10, but it's okay just to get free gifts. It's all right, you know. Because if I'd have bought all this on my own, it would have been more than $10 anyway, right? So I'm very, very thankful, and I'm thankful I'm able to support and to care for my child. So I have a couple more months to go, 28 weeks and 5 days, and we approaching, we getting there. We are so getting there. All right. So I hope you guys like this unboxing and me sharing my goodies from my baby registry with you guys. Again, if you tried any of these products or received any of these products, don't be shy. Leave in the comment section and let me know what you think. All right. So I'll be back with some more. Take care. Bye.